In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete email from Google Photos. First, let's start by switching to a different Google account on your mobile device. Open the Google Photos app. You will see the familiar layout of your photos and albums. In the top right corner, there is your profile picture. This is where you can access your account settings. Tapping on your profile picture will allow you to see the account currently in use. This is important because it helps you identify which Google account is linked to the app. Next, tap the down arrow next to your account name if it is visible. This action will display a list of all accounts currently signed in on your device. You might see multiple accounts listed here. If the account you wish to switch to is shown, simply select it. This makes it easy to manage different accounts without having to log in and out repeatedly. If the account you want isn't listed, don't worry. Just tap on Add Another Account. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials for the new account. Enter your email and password, then sign in. This step is essential for accessing the photos stored under a different Google account. Once you are signed in, you will notice that your Google Photos experience changes to reflect the new account's library. Now, let's move on to the process of removing a Google account from Google Photos. Start by opening the Google Photos app again. You will return to the main interface where your photos are displayed. Tap your profile picture once more to access the account settings. This gives you the option to manage your accounts effectively. Next, tap on Manage Accounts on this device. This section lists all Google accounts currently linked to your device. It's a straightforward way to view and control your linked accounts. Here you will find all accounts, making it easy to identify which one you want to remove. After that, tap Remove from this device next to the Google account you want to remove. This action is crucial because it signals your intention to disconnect that account from your device. You will be prompted to confirm the removal. Confirming this step will ensure that your changes are saved and that you will no longer have access to that account's photos within Google Photos. Please note that removing the account will sign you out of Google Photos and other Google apps that use that same account on your device. This is important to keep in mind because you will need to log back in if you want to access any of those services again. Now, let's look at how to switch accounts on the web. Google Photos does not have an option to sign out or remove accounts individually. To use a different account, go to photos.google.com. You will land on the familiar Google Photos interface. This is where you can see all your stored photos and albums. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. This will bring up your account options. Next, click Sign Out or Switch Account. You will then be prompted to sign in with the Google account you want to use. This ensures that you are accessing the correct library for your photos. Finally, it's essential to remember that removing a Google account from your device does not delete your Google Photos library. Your photos remain stored in your Google account unless you delete them separately. This reassures you that your valuable memories are safe. If your goal is to stop uploading photos to a specific account, consider turning off backup instead of removing the account entirely. Also, keep in mind that deleting your entire Google account will permanently delete all associated services, including Google Photos, Gmail, and Drive. This is a significant decision that warrants careful thought. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Google Photos accounts effectively.